There a call, everywhere a feather flare. Hey MacDonald, tell us more. What's hiding behind your barn's old door? With twists and turns so full of cheer, your farm is louder every year. Oh, Old MacDonald brewed some tea, E-I-E-I sip, with the peacock quite wild and free. E-I-E-I chip, with a chatter-chit here and a chatter-chit there. Here a chit, there a chit, peacocks don't care if you're fit. Fields of chaos, critters fly, each moment's a laugh, no need to sigh. The farm's alive, it keeps us grinning. MacDonald's farm, it's just beginning. Old MacDonald had a goat, E-I-E-I-Na, with a coat that wore a bright red coat, E-I-E-I-I, with a baa-baa puff and some hoof-hoof bluff. Here a hoof, there a hoof, life gets wild but never tough. Hey MacDonald, tell us more. What's hiding behind your barn's old door? With twists and turns so full of cheer, your farm is louder every year. Your barn's old door, with twists and turns so full of cheer, your farm is louder every year.
Loud, huh? Close the door. You want me to open the door or close the door? Open the door? I can't open the door.